Jainam Software. In this video, let's understand how we can make mobile verification mandatory for loan creation. In master setup, setting, click create and add setting loan creation rule engine. Here, just defined mobile verify. If you want one more rule engine to apply, that is credit score 350 minimum required, then you can add here comma and apply this logic. Okay, there are many other configuration available for loan creation, so I'm going to add it here. I already added, so I'm not going to click add now because rule engine is already configured here, mobile verify. Next, I search customer. Here the mobile number is verified. The thumbs up sign shows here. I click loan. It allows me to create loan. If I search loan 3 and mobile is not verified, I click loan. It gives me message mobile verification is mandatory for loan creation. Alright, so using Jainam software, you can configure such many settings and it allows you to avoid fraud loan creation in the system. Thank you.